Tokyo Treat and Bokksu are both our favorite snack boxes and some of the best Japanese snack box subscription services out there. But if you can only choose one, which one should it be? In our Tokyo Treat vs Bokksu review, we'll be putting these boxes head to head to help you make a decision of which one is worth it for you. Here's some key factors we'll be basing it on. Round 1, the amount of nibbles you get. 2, the ratio between sweet versus savory snacks. 3, quality of the snacks. 4, value for money. 5, the overall experience of each mystery box. If you want our full Tokyo Treat vs Bokksu review, you can head over to our site where we go into how rare and exclusive the snacks really are, as well as our own experience on shipping and delivery. But let's jump into it. On average, Bokksu has 20 to 22 treats, while Tokyo Treat has 15 to 20. For Bokksu, we received 22 snacks, including a tea bag, and for Tokyo Treat, we received 15 snacks, including one soda drink. Comparing the size of the Japanese snacks we received, the ones from Bokksu are a lot smaller, so for our round, purely looking at the number of snacks, Tokyo Treats wins for having more filling ones. For round 2, we compared the number of sweet and savory snacks in each box. Tokyo Treat had a great balance between sweet versus savory snacks that was almost 50-50. As we have tried Tokyo Treat on a number of different occasions in the past and got our friends to try them out, we can confidently say that they're pretty consistent with this balance between sweet versus savory. Meanwhile, for Bokksu, although it did seem like there were more sweet than savory at the start, because of the size of the sweet snacks being a lot smaller, we thought that they still had a good balance between the two types. So considering that, Tokyo Treat wins against Bokksu on the variety of sweet and savory snacks, but only just by a little bit. If you want to see all the snacks we got, check out our video on the best Japanese snack boxes. Our quality of snacks round was the hardest to judge because both brands are really great in their own ways and can't be compared directly. Let us tell you why. Bokksu has a more delicate snacks that feels luxurious with its glossy premium packaging. The majority of their snacks even have their own branding to show off the collaboration they have between different Japanese snack makers. A closer comparison to their offerings would actually be Savoury, another Japanese snack box company. Now, we've also done Savoury vs Bokksu review, which you can check out too. Bokksu snacks also really reminded us of the souvenir gifts our Japanese colleagues would buy into the office after their business trip to another region in the country. On the other hand, Tokyo Treat snacks are more filling and equally tasty as Bokksu. We'd say that their treats are a better representation of what most Japanese people would have grown up eating and would buy for themselves on a monthly occasion. They were also trendier rather than being a souvenir. So for this round, we have to say it's tied and really depends on your preference. If you tried any of the snack boxes, let us know in the comments what you think of the quality of the snacks in general. Tokyo Treat is cheaper than Bokksu for the monthly and annual subscription plans. We can't stress enough how much we love Tokyo Treat's one-off no subscription option that's still very affordable. You can try them out without committing to the whole year. It's not to say that the quality of snacks in Bokksu doesn't justify the price point. However, we wouldn't say it's an affordable option for us to have on a monthly basis. But if you do love that luxurious feel from great packaging and bite-sized artisan snacks, then the price shouldn't put you off. But for us, on the value for money round in Tokyo Treat vs Bokksu, we think Tokyo Treat is more worth it. In terms of overall experience, Tokyo Treat is always fun to open up for us as the monthly themes are just so cool. We can instantly tell what the theme is because the snacks are usually strongly related, and the guide is super light to read. The monthly themes also change a lot with special edition boxes during festive periods, so it's always a surprise for us. It's perfect if you want to share the snacks with your friends or split it up slowly to nibble across a month. Meanwhile, for Bokksu, the monthly theme for the first box is always Seasons of Japan, which isn't really a theme we could relate to by looking just at the snacks, as we needed to read the guide to figure that out. The guide also feels like it's more for a mature crowd, which is great if you like reading about Japan and also having a small delicate treat on the side. For us, Bokksu feels less for sharing, but more to enjoy alone. Depending on your budget and preferences, either option could be a good fit. If you want a wider variety of both traditional and modern snacks, a great balance between sweet and savory snacks in a fun monthly subscription box at a more affordable price point, then tokyotreat is better than Bokksu for you. On the flip side, if you're someone who enjoys tea time with a bite-sized, delicate treats while reading about Japanese culture and you don't mind the higher price tag, Bokksu is for you. If you agree with us, give this video a thumbs up, or if you disagree, let us know why in the comments below. We'll be doing more snack reviews in the future, so do subscribe if you want to find out more.